Hello there and welcome. Today, we're going to do something wonderful. We're going to how to use Chutes Chat, and I promise it'll be a happy, simple process. First, let's go to chutes.ai/chat. There's no complicated software to install. It's all right here in your web browser. Go ahead and log in. It's your first step into a world of possibilities. Now, look at this. This is our gallery. Just like an artist has many brushes, Chutes has many models. You've got language models for writing and image generators for creating art. All here, waiting for you. Let's pick a happy little image model to start with. Now, let's create an image. Click Run. And that's it. No servers to configure, no command lines. Chutes talks to the network, finds a powerful GPU, and there we go. Our model is alive. You've just deployed an AI on a global supercomputer. You can start using it right here on the site. But next time, we'll show you how to connect it to your own apps with an API key. So many happy little projects we can build. Until then, happy building.